Hunter Mayfair. 3-speed, only 2 speeds are the same. Low and medium. High.
Mares, I think that's an 89 by the way.
Something like that.
Let's everybody just ignore the bare wire sticking out of the canopy.
Oh, hello, way up there.
I didn't say show 'em.
Oh. I didn't know what you were talking about. I can't tell what the hell the difference is. I think that's off. I can't tell. No, it's low. It ain't off.
Yeah, it goes high, low, low, off.
Yeah, this is off.
For some reason. That one you might want to stop it before you reverse it.
I'm going to.
That thing's got so many wires in it, I would hate to have to work on it. It's ridiculous. You're lucky you found a rare opportunity to do your videos if the furnace isn't running.
Was running when I did the tongue video.
I was running when you did all of them but that one.
Your medium. Might as well just call it low.
Why it's like that, no one can seem to figure out because it's got too many damn wires.
Right. And off. That's it.